engine, suspension, everything just fell out. When you tell yourself no more projects and then suddenly you are on your way to pick up 1989 Cadillac DeVille, yeah, that's me. I found one last night and now I'm traveling halfway through the country to pick it up. This one most likely is gonna be a flip, but you know how it goes. 1 minute it's a flip, next minute you fall in love with it. So yeah, let's check it out. So yeah, I went to buy a Cadillac and the Cadillac decided it doesn't want to be a Cadillac anymore. I mean, look at this. The whole subframe, engine, suspension, everything just fell out. All of it is currently sitting on the ground. Yeah. Beautiful piece of American engineering here. All right, but let's rewind for a second here. I went to check out this 89 DeVille. It looked clean on the photos, straight, old school. I thought easy flip, maybe clean it a bit, fix a few things and make some money on it. But while loading it on the trailer, it went boom. Front subframe just went down, and since it's a front wheel drive car, the engine, transmission, the whole suspension, pretty much everything went down with it. Obviously that was the moment when I said, yeah, okay, that's fine, I don't want it anymore. But the guy selling it though, it was super nice dude. I didn't want to let him down. He didn't have parts, he didn't have tools. One of these car fanatics that just keep buying the cars but don't have the knowledge how to fix them. We were on the main street with the engine on the asphalt. I just couldn't leave him there with it, so we made a deal and I actually $125, which was pretty much less than what I spent on the fuel to get there. The only problem, or one of the problems I had at the time over there, was the fact that my trailer doesn't have a winch, so I had to spend additional money on getting the recovery truck, which brought the car back to my place here. So yeah, now let's take a look at what I actually brought home. So here she is, 1989 Cadillac DeVille. All 17 feet of faded luxury. Now actually the paint job is not too bad. We've got a couple of points, couple of back points like this one here. Couple of faded spots at the back, and that's what I saw on the pictures on Facebook Marketplace. That's why I thought it might be a quick flip. I thought I'm just gonna paint quickly a few elements, give it a quick wash, maybe clean the engine bay. Yeah, hood is probably the worst body part on it. That has to be repainted. What else? Passenger doors, they don't open, so I'm gonna have to fix that. That doesn't open. We've got a bit of a rust over here. The roof is in pretty good condition, slightly faded. I think it's supposed to be black. Another thing is, apart from the subframe or dropped subframe, the engine, which is supposed to be the 4.5 liter, it's apparently 4.9, which is from the newer generation of DeVille's, but I'm not really convinced this is a 4.9. I'm gonna have to try and find the engine serial number just to confirm this, because I've got a feeling it might be just the airbox from 4.9. It doesn't look as good as my red Camaro did when I bought it. But yeah, $125. Can't really moan at that. We've got a couple of rips like this. Driver seat that could use a retrim, but the passenger seat, and especially the back seats, are in really good condition. Mileage wise, 125, so that's not too bad for the age. Look at that, it's 1989 and there was an automatic headlights on it. That's unbelievable. Obviously tilted steering wheel, aircon, radio, I think it's even, yeah, works. And obviously a pneumatic suspension on it. How cool is that? So yeah, it was supposed to be a quick flip. Now I honestly don't know what to do with it. I'm gonna start by lifting the car up and see if I can do anything about that subframe, or maybe try and find the used one in good condition. If I'm gonna be able to fix that, then I think I'm just gonna move on to what I had in mind for it in the first place. So a wash, a few elements, we'll get a repaint and sell it, or maybe I just leave it and sell it for parts. Yeah, we'll see. First things first, welcome in the world of cheap cars and bad decisions. Let's begin. Let's have a look if we've got gears. So it runs and drive, but obviously the car is not fit to be used on the public roads. I could hurt someone or even kill myself or kill someone else, so we're not gonna take it off the road. You could see on the B-roll the floor pans, the floor itself, the mounting points for the front subframe completely gone. There was absolutely nothing that we can use as an attachment. But I had fun, you know. I spent a couple of hours trying to remove the front fender off so I can reattach the subframe with a ratchet strap. Really is a shame. I won't be able to drive it because most of the things actually works on the car, you know, the aircon, the headlights, the light, the automatic lights, air suspension, yeah, soft close. So it is a shame I won't be able to drive it, or I won't be able to flip it. However, I'm thinking I'm just gonna use it for the parts. There is quite a few things on it that I can use on my red Camaro. So yeah, we're just gonna keep it here, probably start stripping it down bit by bit, and then reuse the things that I can reuse on other cars. I think I might have a plan for the engine as well. The only thing I need to check is if I'm gonna be able to connect this engine with a rear wheel drive transmission, and then I'm going to use it somewhere. Such a shame. That looks really good. What can we do? Okay, let's wrap this episode here. It was just a short one because I wasn't uploading anything for a while. Look at that. But yeah, the next video is coming out soon as well, and that's gonna be me back working on 86 iRock. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.